Once upon a time, on a beautiful Polynesian island named Motunui, lived a young girl named Moana. Moana loved spending her days by the sea, dreaming of the adventures that lay beyond the horizon. One day, Moana discovered an ancient artifact, a stone with mystical markings. She felt a strange, familiar pull from the ocean, as if it was calling her. Moana knew it was time to embark on a journey to save her island. With the help of her village's demigod, Maui, Moana set sail in a mighty vessel named the Motu Matu'a. The ocean was vast and filled with wonders, but also dangers. They braved stormy seas and treacherous reefs, guided by Moana's unwavering courage and Maui's magical fishhook. They reached the island of Te Fiti, where they found it barren and lifeless. Moana learned that Te Fiti had been cursed, and the only way to restore it was to return the heart of the island, stolen by the lava monster, Te Ka. Moana bravely confronted Te Ka, and with the power of her ancestor's spirit, she managed to calm the monstrous creature. Te Ka returned the heart of Te Fiti, and it restored the island's life and beauty. Moana and Maui returned home to Motunui, where they were greeted as heroes. The island flourished, and Moana's dream of a better future for her people had come true. From that day forward, Moana continued to explore the ocean, seeking new adventures and spreading the love she had learned from her journey. And so, Moana's ocean adventure became a legend, inspiring future generations to follow their dreams and protect their homes. The end.